RapTool is the fastest and easiest way to create cross-platform mobile and PC business applications. Apps are built without coding at a fraction of the time and cost compared to traditional programming. Each RapTool app design works on iOS, Android, Windows Phone, Windows Desktop, and Windows CE. With the RapTool Designer, you can customize your app in just a few minutes. Simply click on the icon for the function you want to add, drag it to where you want it on the screen, and configure the settings. Touch buttons, barcode reading, tables, database connections, mathematical operations, mobile printing, signature capture, and many other features are just a click away. RapTool integrates with your existing databases and business applications. Connect with data sources in real time or synchronize data after using the application offline. Pre-built connectors to mainstream enterprise applications and databases enable fast and cost-efficient implementation. We also provide our own RapTool Cloud data storage to store your data. Just add the tables and columns you need, like in Excel. You now have a powerful SQL database in the cloud, allowing you to create complete solutions. You don't need to start from scratch. There are thousands of pre-built apps and complete solutions that you can use out of the box. Here are some examples. The RapTool Order app lets your customers simply scan a barcode to place an order for your products. In the warehouse, workers can pick up the products for the order in the RapTool Warehouse app. Your RapTool solution is scalable from a single user to thousands of users. Increase your business productivity, agility, and growth with RapTool. Enterprise mobility made easy.